Hey everybody, it's Brian, and I'm back to talk about trimming palm trees. Now, recently I was on a road trip through California, and I spent a lot of time looking at the palm trees in and around the roads we were driving on. And what I noticed was when it comes to trimming palm trees in California, you can see extremes of three or four fronds left on a 40-foot palm. Makes it look like it got a really bad haircut. On the other extreme, you can see palm trees that look like they've never been trimmed in their lives, and they've got 20 feet of dead fronds hanging from the bottom of the palm tree. And it got me thinking, everything I've ever read, everything I've ever watched, everything I've ever been told about trimming palm trees is in cold weather environments, you trim them right away. As soon as the fronds start to turn brown, go ahead and cut them off. You shouldn't cut the green ones off just because palm trees are a little bit different than a lot of plants in that the fronds continue to provide good benefit to the tree. Cutting them off early does not induce new growth, and you can actually do more harm than good if you overly or aggressively trim a palm tree. So I've always cut them off as soon as they started turning brown or slightly after. But it got me thinking, what if we leave these things on a little bit longer? Personally, I like the look of the palm trees when they have a little bit of brown on the bottom. I certainly don't like the ones that are never trimmed. Those looked a little goofy to me. But as I looked at them driving down the road, I thought, man, with a little bit of brown there, it just gives the tree another dimension and it makes it look just a little bit more appealing to me. Again, it's personal taste, right? So I'm thinking that I'm going to let my palm fronds go a little bit longer. I'm not going to trim them right away when they start to die or turn brown. I'm going to let them go and see what kind of look we can get with these trees over a little bit more time and leaving some of those dead fronds on, attached to the tree. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Are you one to trim them right away? Have you had any experience or success leaving them on and letting them hang around just to provide a different look? What are your thoughts?